everybody, it's Alan, shortballedandbearded.com. So today I'm going to make keto pound cake muffins. They're just like pound cake, only in a muffin form, and they are so lemony, so delicious and moist, you're going to love them. So let's go ahead and go down the ingredients. 1.5 cups almond flour, tablespoon of baking powder, and about 4 tablespoons of Truvia. You can use Splenda, about 3/4 cup. Erythritol, probably about 3/4 cup, same as the Splenda. Liquid stevia, not sure. Look it up online. I don't have my conversion chart with me. I've already got the cream cheese and the butter softened up and ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and add the eggs to the food processor, get that blended up real nicely, and then I'm going to add the dry ingredients and then the lemon juice on top of everything. And then we're going to bake it for about 45 minutes on 350 degrees. Wait till it gets a nice brown crust. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the ingredients in the food processor. Okay, so now we got our 5 eggs, our half a block of cream cheese, half a stick of butter, unsalted, cream cheese, butter, and eggs. Okay, nice blended up pretty good. Now I've got my dry ingredients. I'm going to add a little sprinkle of some salt. Now you can use salted butter instead of adding your own salt, and that works just fine too. Okay, we've got our dry ingredients, whipped them up pretty good. So let's go ahead and add our lemon juice. About 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons, give or take. A little more, a little less. Now you can add some vanilla extract as well. Maybe I just like the lemon. Alright. Nice and tangy and delicious. Okay, we got it mixed up pretty good. And in this case, I'm not using a muffin tin. I use these basic little silicone molds. I got 12 of them for $3 on one of your local, not so local online retailers. So yeah, we just put these in here, kind of make them even, scoop it all in, and bake it at 350 for about 45 minutes until they start turning brown. Okay, so as you can see there, got them all filled up, ready to go. You can do this in a loaf pan. You can line it with the parchment paper and maybe spray it with some nonstick cooking spray. I did run into an issue with that where it didn't really get as done in the center before the outside had gotten brown. So I just found it easier to use the muffins, more consistent in the cooking. But yeah, I mean, you can experiment. You can also sub out maybe 1/2 cup of the almond flour with a couple tablespoons of coconut flour to give it a little bit different texture. Maybe only 4 eggs instead of 5, just because you don't need as much binding agent if you use coconut flour. So let's go ahead and get these going in the oven and keep them out in about 45 minutes. We'll see what we got. Okay, so it's been about 30-40 minutes. Looks like they cooked a little quicker than I'm used to, so we're going to check them out, pull them out and give them the old toothpick test and make sure that they're done. Oh man, these look great, don't they? How about that? Let's see if we're done. There you go. Clean toothpick. So they're done. Some of them cool off for just a few minutes, and then we're going to give them a slice and see how they look on the inside and give you a shot of the finished product. So if you try this recipe, shoot me a comment. Let me know what you think. Any pointers, anything you find different than what I've done here that you think works better, feel free to let me know. In the meantime, if you enjoy this content, click subscribe, follow me on Facebook. Until next time, thanks a lot.